Okay, sir. First, we gotta perform a dialogue.
Reception, I know what the dialogue reception is.
Oh, is it? What is it?
To check this color.
Right. Want to show me what we check?
Radio.
Wrong.
Side mirror.
Nope.
Then what is it?
Well, we do a 360 walk around the car to check the overall condition, like body paint here.
Hoist the car up. You want to check the aircon?
Ah, not now. We check your car suspension and also brake pads.
This is to check what?
This, my friend, is to check the exhaust, fuel, and brake lines.
Okay lah, you win.
No lah, sir. At least now you know about your car better, right?
Yeah.
And we both can agree on what's needed for your car. Hi, I'm ASMAN, your after salesman. Thank you for watching our video. Please click here to check out another video and click here to subscribe to Volkswagen Malaysia's YouTube channel. Bye. Volkswagen.